How's it going, YouTubers? It's me, AMR. Welcome to my unboxing video of the RIIKUNTEK wireless mouse. In this video, we will unboxing the mouse and showing what it has got to offer. Here it is. Have I got the white one? I have no idea. They sent me this to review it. I've got nothing else in the box. So here's the mouse itself, the box. So here the black is got a black mark on it, so that means I have got the black version. Here is the information of the whole mouse specs. You can read, pause the video. That is the side over there. Real quick, you can pause the video, have a read. Let's go. Link to the description of this mouse is down below in link to the description below. What am I saying? Link to this mouse is in the description down below. Go have a look to the seller. He seems like a pretty nice guy. And yeah, so here it is. Here's the instruction manual out there in 4K, depending on when you watch the video, because my 4K videos take time to render for some odd reason. Here we go. You can pause it, read it right there. And let's get the mouse. Oh, mouse is already out, dude. Let's get the mouse out. Wow. Up on first glance, I'm telling you, it is light. Wow, it is very, very light, dude. I'm loving that. I'm loving the fact that the wireless USB dongle thing can be fit right in there. So no, this gets plugged into your computer device, wherever. I mean, these days you can connect a mouse to anything. So whichever thing you want to connect your mouse to, and that's it. You're good to go. And that's where it is the micro USB, unfortunately. Use the micro USB to charge up. It said it's got silent clicks. Not completely silent, but silent enough. I mean, I'm pressing them right now so you can judge the sound. Scroller, that is also a button. Has it got any charge in it? Yes, it has. It's got the charge. Actually, it hasn't. Uh-oh. It does flash in it. Right, I'll be right back. I'm gonna turn the lights on this thing, man. Right then, tubers. Upon connecting it to the smelly charger that I unboxed on this channel, if you can remember, I call it smelly. I mean, it's just about lost that smell to it. It lit up. So blue is the charging light. You can't see it very well over here, but all this side here is meant to be lit up. But my lighting at the moment is absolutely excellent, so that's why you can't see it properly. But it comes on a variety of different colors, so when you're using the mouse, it's gonna come, you know, it's gonna be flashing and stuff like that. I have a feeling that might distract someone. You know, the light is coming through out there. I don't know if you can see it well on the camera, but it is from the scroller. And yeah, there is. I wanted to show you different lights options, but there you go. You can see it gives you a little glimpse of red, but that's about it. But it does have many different colors when you work with it, but I can't show you that because it's not fully charged. So here we have it, guys, the wireless mouse. Do not forget to hit the like button, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Check them guys out down in the description link below. If you got any questions, like I said, don't forget to comment, and take care of yourselves. Peace out, man.